How to whitelist your emails. Okay, folks, this is most important if you want to receive notifications about this Facebook page, or if you're watching on YouTube, and also on my website. That is where I mainly collect my emails. My website is copilotwithdave.com. You should know that by now. I'll leave the link in the comment. If you head over there, a pop-up box will appear on the front page of my site. Just fill in your email. You'll get all my notifications for whatever I'm doing, whatever's going off. Okay, now sometimes my email will drop in your spam like it has done on this occasion. It's not showed up here in my primary inbox. So if I just move down here and go into my spam there, and here's the one that's fell into spam. So I like to there's different ways you can do it. I like to just highlight it, click on the three dots, filter message like these, create a filter, never send to spam, create filter. Okay, that way now all my emails will appear in the front primary box. Okay. That one won't unless I move it over, but all the ones in future will appear in my inbox, so you'll never miss it again. So just to clarify, head over to copilotwithdave.com. There'll be a pop-up appears maybe when you're leaving the window. Just drop your email in there and you'll get alerted to anything that I'm adding inside the Facebook group, anything I'm adding on YouTube, anything I'm adding on my site, copilotwithdave.com. Okay, so that's how to whitemail your emails, most important. So I'll speak to you soon on the next video.